Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how you can contact customer support through the Lidl app. So if you wish to contact the customer support team using the Lidl app, you have to follow these steps. First of all, you have to go ahead and open up the application and log in into your account. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. While you're on this page, click the more icon from the bottom right hand side corner, and here you should be able to see this option as services and help. Go ahead and press the link. It's going to take you to the help center page where you need to go ahead and categorize the issues, or you can go ahead and live chat with the agent itself, or you can directly contact through them and all that. You could also go ahead and read the articles regarding the help that you're looking for. So that's basically how you can contact customer support through this app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.